Hey guys, I'm back again with another hair tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve these medium box braid on 4C natural hair. Now before I get into the video, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be updated as to when I post my next video. So let's get into the video. So hey guys, this is my niece Lyming, and as you can see, she's so happy to be getting her hair done today. So today I'm gonna do the medium box braid on her 4C hair. So let's get started. What I like to do is to part from ear to ear, and once I'm satisfied with the parted section, I'm just gonna go in with my ultra gel wax and apply it to the scalp and retrace the part so it can have a tidy look. Now I'm just going to section off the front portion of her hair and then go in to braid the back portion. Now the hair that I'll be using for this video is the 84-inch X-pression, and I'm using the color 350 and the color number 27. Now I'm going to mix these hair together. This hair is relatively long, so I'm going to go ahead to cut it into 3 equal pieces. Now as you can see, the hair has a blunt look, so I'm going to go in and stretch the hair. So I also went ahead to cut the other color hair into 3 equal pieces, and also I went ahead to stretch the ends. Now I'm going to put both color hair together so I can get the blend that I want. So now guys, I went ahead to take out a portion of the hair to fit the size of the parted section, and I overlap a small piece so I can get 3 equal pieces. I'm gonna attach her natural hair to one of the piece, and I'm just gonna do a braid pattern. So what I'm gonna do here is to apply the ultra gel wax to her natural hair. This would help to lay her hair as flat and smooth as possible. And what I like to do is I like to bring the braid over her natural hair. So I'm basically forcing her natural hair under the braid. That way you would not see the dark color of her natural hair, but you would only see the colored braids. So now guys, I'm gonna show you how I part the hair. You don't want the braids to fall on top of each other. You want them to fall in between each braid. So you're not going to part the hair to have it aligned with the part below. You're gonna part the hair on top of the box braid itself. That way you'll have each braid falling in between each other. So guys, I went ahead to pull a portion of the hair to match the size that I want to plait. And then I'm gonna take a small piece from that portion and I'm gonna overlap it. So when I fold it together, all 3 pieces should be of the same size. I'm gonna then attach her natural hair to one of the piece and braid it in. So guys, as you can see, I went ahead to section off her hair. This is easier for me to go in and braid her hair. I move a lot faster when I do it like this. And as you can see, I did not plait the ends out because my sister is coming over to help me with the ends. Right, that's my client's mother. So I've completed the back portion of her hair, and as you can see, this is so neat and I like it. Now she advised that she want a side part, so I'm just gonna go ahead to part the side of her head. So guys, I'm finished and I'm helping my sister Georgina to plait the ends out, and I'm gonna go in to trim the hair. I also went ahead to hot water her hair. I'm sorry I didn't show you the process in doing so, but it was really hectic. And now guys, I'm gonna apply my mousse. I'm gonna lay those baby hair with my got2b glue and my old toothbrush, and I'm also gonna apply some oil Sheen. So guys, this is the final look. I ended up using 3.5 packs of hair. I really love the colors, I really love the length of the hair, and guys, I'm genuinely in love with the look. Thank you for sticking through this video with me. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be updated as to when I post my next video. And do please leave your comment and share this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.